troubleshooting the proximity sensor on an LG phone.
Text, LG. Zooming into the top of a smartphone screen, open to contact info for Dylan. A sensor at the top center is indicated. An ear.
The proximity sensor on your LG phone is a small sensor that detects when something is very close to it, so that it can tell the phone to turn the screen off.
The screen turns off. Then back to Dylan. Dialing Dylan.
This is to prevent you from accidentally pressing buttons or hanging up on a call when the phone is held to your ear.
Viewed from the side, an arrow projects from the sensor.
The proximity sensor works by having an LED emit invisible infrared light and an IR sensor near it that can detect the light. When nothing is close to the phone, the IR light has no effect.
An ear close to the phone. The arrow shoots out and is reflected off the air back to the phone. Text, sensor detects reflected infrared light.
But when something gets close enough, the object reflects the IR light back, and the sensor detects it. Sometimes the IR sensor can stop working correctly.
An arrow projects out and reflects back to the phone off of air.
The sensor will think that something is always near the phone and turn the screen off on calls all the time, even if you are holding the phone in front of you to push a button. There are 3 things you can do to troubleshoot this.
Lying a phone flat on a desk.
First, check if your phone has a screen protector. Some screen protectors will reflect all or some of the IR light and cause the sensor to always think something is near it.
Broken glass on a phone screen.
Or sometimes the screen protector can get scuffed or scraped and cause this to happen.
Hands peel off a plastic screen protector from a smartphone. The LG logo of letters L and G making a winky face appears on the screen. LG, life's good. Remove screen protector and reboot phone.
If your phone has a screen protector, remove it. Then reboot your phone and test it again.
Back to dialing Dylan. The screen turns off again. A wet phone screen as hands hold a spray bottle and cloth over it.
If removing the screen protector does not work, or if the phone does not have one, the second option is to clean the top edge of the screen near the earpiece very thoroughly.
Rubbing the screen clean with a cloth.
Sometimes dirt, oil, or makeup can build up and reflect enough IR light to interfere with the sensor. After cleaning the phone, reboot it and test it again.
Back to dialing Dylan. The screen turns black again. A menu titled Sync Settings. A backup menu. Selects Backup Now. From the home screen, open Settings. Scrolls down to System. Then selects Restart and Reset, Factory Data Reset.
If none of these options worked, the third option is to use the videos linked in the description to back up your data and then perform a factory data reset. Sometimes apps or other things can impair a phone's normal operation, and completing a factory data reset will fix any software issues and ensure that nothing can interfere.
The screen goes black and a keypad appears. Reset? Delete all data and downloaded apps? This cannot be undone. The screen goes black.
If that still doesn't resolve the problem, please go to lgmobilerepair.com or contact customer service to look at options to send your phone in to be repaired. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text, lg.com/us/support. Twitter, Facebook, Messenger, email, and phone icons appear. This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.